civilization has become a nuisance to me. Yahi, you're the leader, so you must die. Resist, and I'll kill her instead. You, redhead, use that to kill Yahiko. If you do, I'll spare you.
Just kill me. Yahi.